Magandang umaga po sa lahat ng mga kapatid. Ngayon, ating tatangkapin kung mayroong mga alay. Dadalhin dito po sa altar. Sakalay natin. Kanta. Ang ating Divine Celebration of the Third Testament, ating ito ialay sa ating Ama, Ina at Anak ng Diyos. Kasama din ang mga prayer requests, mga prayer na gusto ninyo ialay. Mga intentions natin na yung hindi ko na tumapasa.
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Ang misa po ito, iniaalay ko po. Sa pasasalamat ko po kay Mother Au sa lahat po ng mga biyayang pinagkaloob niya po sa amin, lalong-lalo na po sa buong pamilya ko po. I was not supposed to be here yesterday, pero kahapon, pinapunta po ako ni Mother kahapon dito to attend the meeting po ng pagbabago po ng ating misa. At sa dahilan po na dapat hindi nga po ako dumating dahil po my son has a competition to the International Toastmaster Club ng national competition. And sabi po ni Mother, you have to go there because you need to attend the meeting. So sabi ko, Mother, but I need to also to see my son competing. So sabi niya, no need, because he already won the competition, which is true. He won the competition yesterday. And today, I'm going to go home after lunch because my son has a victory party tonight because of the competition that he won. Thank you very much, Mother. I'm so grateful and thankful to Mother God for everything. Thank you po.
So kaya ito sample lang ito sa ating mga grupo dito na ilalagay yung mga request kay iba-ibang pagkasalamat. Ngayon, gawin natin yung opening prayer. Lahat tayo sabay-sabay. Come, O Blessed and Holy Trinity, make each vine around the temple of your wondrous teachings your sacred heart a flowing stream of your divine mercy, and my physical self a solemn habitation of thy endless powers. that whatever holy words we acquire may be propagated to the more unfortunate ones that needed them more badly, to be sure. And now we'll have the first reading from the Old Testament. Please be seated.